Hello there and welcome to another video on solving a LeetCode problem. And this is going to be problem 1581, customer who visited but did not make any transactions. And so what this problem asks for us to do is to check this table and wait. Oh no, multiple tables. Okay, that's annoying. So there's a table visits that contains a visit ID and the customer ID, and then a table transactions that has a transaction ID, a visit ID, and the amount. So for each, so a customer can show up multiple times, and in each visit we check if there was any transactions and for what amount. That's probably what that is. So we want an SQL query to find the IDs of the users who visited without making any transactions, and the number of times they made these types of visits. Alright, so let's see. Are there repeating customers here? Yes, there are. So customer 54 showed up 3 times. Visit ID 5, 7, and 8. So on visits 7 and 8, customer 54 did not buy anything. Therefore, it says that the customer 54 made 2 visits without purchasing anything. So this is what we want to do. Alright, so the input is over here. Yeah, so that's gonna be, let's see. So the IDs are 23, 9, 30, 54, 96, 54, 54. Now, if we table that, we can concatenate it with the iota of the tally. So these are the visits. I'm going with 0 indexing because why not? And then for the transactions, we've got the 5 by 3 reshape of 2, 5, 3, 10, 3, 5, 300, 9, 5, 200, 12, 1, 9, 10, and 13, 2, 170. So transactions. Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to check which visit IDs do not show up in here. Then we want to aggregate by customer ID, and then we want to count. Okay, so the visit IDs are the first column. What am I doing? The first column of the visits. These are the visit IDs, and now we need to see which ones are not in here. So from those, let's remove all the IDs that have been used in transactions. And those are the second column, or column with index 1. So these are the IDs that have no transactions associated with them. Oh, right. So when I type the visit IDs, I should fix the indices. Otherwise, I'm going to get in trouble. Or I can add 1 here. So that's going to be the table, concatenate reverse of 1 plus iota. Alright, so now the visits, okay, so now the indices add up. So these are the visit IDs that have no associated transactions. Or maybe what we can do is we can check which ones have transactions. Oops, sorry about that. That was a reminder. So we need to negate that. So these are the rows that we care about. Now, what we do is we use this to, so where are the customer IDs? So the second column of visits, these are the customers associated with each visit. And now we want to check the IDs of the customers that did not do any transactions. Why am I getting triple 54s? Did I do this wrong? I want to see which So these are the visit. These are the visit IDs. And these show up in the transactions. So these are the ones that do not show up, which are visit ID 4, correct. Let's zoom out a bit more. So that's number 4. This is number 5, but that's wrong because number 5 shows up over there. So what am I doing? 1, 2, 4, 5. Oh, there's a typo over there. We're missing a... Okay, there's no 3. That explains it. Why did they do it like that? It's probably a typo. Fine. Now what was a simple pattern to produce is now becoming much more complicated. So what I want to do now is this is annoying. I don't feel like changing this. Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do is go the 123, 29, 430, 554, 696, 754 and 854. Now we can compute this again, and now we can do what we should have done. So now we can use key to sum the occurrences, or to count the occurrences on this. And now do we need to put it together with the IDs? Of course we do. So there you have it. This is our solution. Now this was a really annoying... I don't think there's any particular reason why 3 should be skipped there. So yeah. Okay, so this is our solution. This ends up being our solution. I think the idea is pretty straightforward. We take the visits, we check which ones did not generate any transactions, and then we associate those with the respective customer IDs, and then we just count the occurrences of each. Yeah, so that's my solution for now, and I'll see you later. Bye.